Hello, welcome to Sorted. I am Jamie and this is Mike.
Today, the moment you've all been waiting for. Did we complete our London Food Marathon Challenge?
And if you get hungry at any point in this video, give me a little like.
We've got to eat 26.2 dishes.
And we only have 24 hours.
And we're not talking just any old rubbish. These have to be London's top dishes. No better way to kick this off. That's such a good bacon sandwich.
They're so easy in the middle.
Yes! Chopstick straws!
What's going on?
Are you saying in this cold hell?
Barry, I'm really proud of you for still being here.
I don't need to eat any more food.
We're here in Canary Wharf where we are going to Giant Robot, which is a massive street food indoor market.
We're getting buff wings.
And pork belly tacos.
Buffalo sauce, that wonderful combination of spicy hot sauce and butter. So we've had some phenomenal brisket around the world. This is a bit like Taiwanese.
Cauliflower has never tasted so good.
Eat the hell out of it.
Don't say hell, he's a nut.
Mate, I am.
We're 12 hours in and I'm doing all right, but we have 12 hours to go. Potential issues, exhaustion, fullness, random onset of IBS, which I think Ben's been suffering from already because although this is only stop number 15, he's up to about toilet trip number 80.
Welcome to Toilet Hunters. Toilet with nice brick wall. Cleaning material. Plush surroundings. Ample toilet roll and artwork. Clear instruction. Not a great flush.
We've come to Chinatown where we're going to meet up with my friend Shu, who's a travel vlogger, who's taking us to her favourite dim sum place. Now what we didn't tell her is that we'd be dressed up like this.
Oh my god! It's actually soup dumpling, but I really want to say shoot dumpling. And I feel like if you want to try dim sum for the first time, this is a pretty good way to start. So first of all, you have to gingerly peel off the dumpling. Be careful not to split the dumpling because that's where the main ingredient, which is the soup, lies inside. And then all in one.
So the pastry is incredible, but then you get to the important bit, which is a little meatball in the middle, and then this incredible broth, and the whole thing seasoned.
Thank you for having me. Hope you enjoyed the soup dumpling experience.
Oh, we did. 10 out of 10, TripAdvisor.
Yeah!
We're running about half an hour behind. Ben's organised somewhere for us to be, and he's getting flappy because we're running late. So he's run off ahead, but by going here, I think we might miss the place after.
So this is our take on a ceviche, but with an Andean twist.
Hashtag art.
It's a lot more rounded than I expected it to be. This is actually the perfect dish for this time in the marathon.
We need to go now.
Which way?
I don't know. If we run that way, that
Is it that way though?
What are we eating?
Smoked eel sandwich.
Oh, you've eaten eel pie?
Yes.
We were expecting it at 10:35.
Yeah,
Our kitchen, our last order was at 10:45.
Thank you.
Thank you. I think we need to go to the next place now because otherwise we'll miss that as well and then we'll be two down.
We've spoken to the others, so we're now going to the Wigmore Hotel to meet them, which is Michelle Roux Jr.'s pub, and apparently do some amazing Scotch eggs.
We're behind, and what have you done?
Barry!
That is the hotel that Barry thinks that we're supposed to go to.
Should we run it?
This has gone downhill so quickly. We're having a bad 20 minutes.
Hey mate, you alright?
Yeah, did you have any luck?
No.
So that puts us down to 25.2. We've got some news as well.
What?
So they're really keen for us to film Scotch Egg. They're all geared up, ready to go.
Super happy for filming. However, they think it's 11:30 AM tomorrow because who the
Who would want to turn up and film at 11:30 PM today?
Oh, you're
So, in essence, had Jamie had that Scotch egg and had we all tried it earlier on, we'd have been fine.
This is going well, isn't it?
No, it's not.
So we've come to Balance about 50 minutes early, and we are kind of reconvening and discussing and planning over espresso martinis, which happen to be excellent. It's all the best things about a classic Eggs Benedict, plus avocado, plus lobster.
I've never felt Eggs Benedict needs a lobster, but from now on, Eggs Benny isn't complete without a lob on it.
Next up, salt beef bagels from the very first bagel shop in England.
What better food can you get at 2 AM?
Oh my mustard.
Oh my mustard.
Late night places, never short on portions.
The mustard is punchy.
It is 3 o'clock in the morning.
I've got really tired and really full.
Some genius has just realised we didn't eat the cheese that we bought, I don't know, 3 days ago, whatever that was. So we're now going to go to like Tower Bridge and eat the cheese.
Shall I let us spread out on the bridge?
How's it come to this?
These guys supply cheese to the Queen. That's how good this cheese is.
Dig in, it's delicious.
What have you got there?
I can't be bothered with the whole cracker thing. What?
Does that take the roof off?
What?
Oh, that is bold, mate.
This time of night, you really should be tucked up in bed. And what do we all want when we're tucked up in bed? Milk and cookies. Some people have cool names like Man of International Mystery. I like to call myself Man of Contingency. Can I grab 2 of the chocolate cookies? Lovely. Thank you.
I didn't know I needed a cookie, but now I've had one. I can't think of any better way to spend 3:30 AM in the morning.
Hey, mate.
I'm okay.
No, none of us are okay. Look at your little curl.
We're at VQ for halloumi fries. I don't know why, but it's like a bar and a restaurant that's open 24 hours a day. 3.5 hours.
Plow on through, we're gonna do this.
We can do it. We are in Polo Bar.
I didn't think it was going to be this challenging.
The thought of a full English breakfast,
That is a strong, full English breakfast.
What are we eating next?
Next, we are going to one of London's, if not London's tallest restaurants, Duck and Waffle.
I ain't looking for a ring cause I got what I want. I ain't looking for a ring cause I got what I need. 4 in the morning, I buy you a drink. 6 in the morning, I take you back to my crib. I'll teach you. You know what I'm like if I don't get to eat in the morning.
Nothing, Zilla.
Just stay still. Take deep breaths. I can't fail now.
No, you can't.
So close.
Turns out, 23 hours in and 20 however many dishes, and the buttons on your jeans just don't go.
Right, we're 2 down. We've got 1 hour to go. We haven't planned for them. We've just got to find them, so we're going on gut feeling.
Okay, I think we've found our penultimate place. It's Ozone. They do amazing coffee, but most importantly, fantastic breakfast, because that's really what we need right now.
That tastes naughty.
In a really good way, frog spawn, chocolate frog spawn. Right, it's 7:57. The bakery that we're going to is a 20-minute walk away. That leaves no time.
I think if I run, mate, it's going to come out both ends.
Somehow we've even got Jamie running.
This looks like a residential street.
I think this might be the central bakery you can't buy from. Yes!
Oh, yeah!
Well done. Well done, you.
Someone time check.
It is 8 minutes past.
Boys.
Cheers.
Yes.
We genuinely did do it, and we genuinely made it by a hair's breadth. Well done, everyone.
Well done, everyone.
Amazing job.
We made it.
Well done. Oh, that was the weakest ending. Stressful as that was, I've got a question.
Oh.
Which city should we do one of those in next?
I never want to do that
below.
again. I never want to do that again. I know how to cheer you up and get you out of your food coma.
Debatable.
No.
Let's continue.
It's that joke. How do you keep intruders out of a castle made of cheese?
Don't know.
You build a mozzarella. A moat.
That is
Mozzarella.
almost the worst one you've ever done. And it's made me angry.
No.
That's not even.
Maybe you don't get it.
It's not even a pun. That is terrible.